Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Sven, the super cute, funny reindeer from Frozen. Before we get started though, feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really does help out the channel a lot. Alright, so to draw Sven, you can use a pencil if you want to, but I'm going to go straight on in with a black marker. I'm gonna start by drawing his eyes, but I'm gonna do his head right here, and I'm gonna save some room up top for his antlers, and then over here is gonna be his body, and then of course his 4 legs. All right, so to start, I'm gonna do 2 circles. Okay, now a little circle in those circles. And I'm going to leave those circles white and color the other black. Okay, so we're starting on his eyes. Now I'm going to do like an oval. So those circles are in ovals now. Okay, and now underneath the eyes, I'm going to start with a line, almost like a little curved line. And it's going to come on down a little bit. And it's gonna come on up like a little C shape almost on the other side. And then we're gonna meet up here. We're gonna join them up together. And then I'm gonna give them a little nose, like 2 little nostrils, 2 little lines, and then a real cute little smile. Okay, so now up here, I'm gonna do the top of his head. And I'm going to give him a little ear and another little ear. And then we're going to come on down and give it a little hill, like a little cheek. Same on this side. Okay. And I'm going to put a line here and connect it to the eye, and same over on this side. Okay. This is just where the color of his fur is going to be different. I'm also going to do a line here in his ear, and same over here, because the color of his fur and the ear is going to be different too. Now I'm going to work on the his antlers. So I'm going to go up a little bit, just a little straight line, and then I'm going to do like a little bump, and another line, another little bump, another line, another little bump, do another bump, come on down, another bump, come on down, another bump, and come on down. So that's 1 antler. Now we're going to do the same kind of thing on the other side. So a little line, little bump, little line, little bump, little line, little bump, little bump, little line, little bump, little line, little bump, little line. Okay, we got his antlers done. Now I'm going to start by doing his body. So he's going to have a bit of a hump here in his back. He's going to come on down, and he's going to have his little reindeer bum. And now we're going to come on down, and he's going to have 1 foot. Now I'm going to start to draw the little belly. And now he's got his little front arm. But I'm going to save a little bit of room right here, and I'm going to start drawing the chest floof. So he's got all kinds of fluff here. He's a fluffy reindeer. So it's almost like a big scarf of fluff. So now underneath this scarf of fluff, we're going to see his other front leg, front hoof. And over here, he needs another foot. So we'll do that here now. Okay, so I'm going to do a line across each one here. So, and color it in black. So that's going to be his little hooves, the bottom of his feet. And last one. Okay. Now he's got a little tail, just a cute little tail, almost like a little triangle shape, but kind of soft, so it's a rounded shape there at the top. And now I'm going to give him his harness. So that's that red thing he wears. So we're gonna draw a line and curve it in here. So it's kind of like a big C shape. And then it's going to, we're gonna have a line right here, but we haven't done that yet. And then it's going to connect here. So a line, it comes in underneath his first front arm. And then do another one, okay? And now we're gonna connect these two with one strap. Okay, so we got his little harness done. Now, time to do some coloring. All right. So I'm gonna put my black marker to the side, and I'm gonna start by putting the red on the harness. So this is a really nice, kind of like a raspberry, deep red. Nah, raspberry is not the right word. Just kind of like a deep Christmassy red. Yeah, like a nice red. And I'm gonna do the whole thing that color red. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more detail on his harness. I'm gonna take my black marker again, and along the edges, I'm gonna do like just little black triangles. I don't know if you can see, just like little black triangles. So I'm going to do that all along the edges here, and it just adds a little bit more interest, a little more detail. You don't have to do it, but I think it just adds a bit more to it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to do it along this strap as well. Just these little triangles. And on the other side. Okay, but I'm going to leave this one blank. Okay, so now I'm going to take a light tan color. And I'm going to use this for his ears and the upper part of his face. The bottom part of his face, I'm going to use a different color. So I'm going to do that around his eyes here. Okay, so far I think he's really cute. Okay, so I'm going to use this tan color for some spots on his body. So I'm going to do a line here, and here, and here, and here. Now, that's going to separate the brown on his legs with a little whitishy light part of his legs. So that's a different color. So we're going to leave that for now. And color in his legs. And I went outside the lines a little bit here, but that's okay. That's okay. Because art is about having fun, and I'm still having fun. Okay. So I'm going to make some little lines here, some little wavy lines to separate the two different colors he's going to have now on his body. So I'm going to color in the lower part here, this tan color. This brownish tan color. I think it's a really good reindeer color. It's not too dark, not too light. Nice in between. It's a good color for our cute little Sven. Sven is actually, drawing Sven was actually recommended by one of our awesome subscribers. So thank you so much for recommending I draw Sven, because he's such a great character. Okay, so now I can put away this light tan color, and I'm going to use this one now. So this is a cool gray color, and I'm going to use it on his tail. And here in between the black of his hooves and the brown on his legs. And I'm going to use it on the rest of his body here and his little floofy, furry neck scarf. I know it's not actually a neck scarf, but it's just all kinds of fur. So this is just a nice light gray, a nice cool gray. And you don't have to use the same colors I'm using. You can use whatever colors you want. And do the top part here. Top part of his back is like a little hump. And his nice floofy neck floof. And now we're also going to color in a part on his face with this color. And I'm also going to use it for his antlers too. The horns on his head, his antlers. But maybe you want to use a different color for that, and that's fine. But I'm going to use this color. Okay, so I'm going to use it for the antlers. One antler. Now two antler. Okay, I'm also going to use it for the inside of the ears, so the other part of his ears here that we don't have colored in yet. And then this white inside part, the oval part of the eye. And for his cheeks. One cheek and two cheek. Okay, so for the actual mouth, his actual nose and mouth spot, I'm going to use a different gray color. So this is more of a warm gray color. So you can see it's a different gray, but I think it's still going to be really perfect for this part of him. So we color in that nose. Color by his sweet little smile. And we are almost done. All right. So here we go. We got our super cute little Sven. So I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. I hope you have a great day. And oh, feel free to let me know in the comments what you think I should draw for the next Daily Doodle. I love hearing your suggestions. All right, everybody, have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow. Bye!